How to fix WAN 84 in League of Legends. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm gonna teach you how you can easily fix the WAN 84 in League of Legends. So in order to fix it, you first need to check your network connection. It is because a poor internet connection can sometimes cause Vanguard errors. So you need to ensure that your internet connection is stable. Afterwards, you just have to close League of Legends and the Riot client completely. Then you need to relaunch the Riot client and try starting the game again. You can even try to restart your PC, and in order to do it, you just have to click on the home bar and then you just have to click on this power button and you need to click on the restart button. Additionally, you just have to check the VGC services, and for that you need to open the task manager and go to the services tab. Then you need to look for a service named VGC. If it's stopped, then you need to right click on it and then select start option. Then you just have to do the conflicting programs. So some programs like those with killer in the name can interfere with Vanguard. So try ending tasks relating to such programs in the task manager. You might need to disable them on startup if they keep causing issues. If the problem still persists, then you can refer to the official League of Legends support page for Vanguard error codes and solutions. So with the help of these instructions, you will be able to easily fix this issue. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.